Kia ora koutou e te whānau, te Umuariki here for Kiimai Māori Aoitepö, whether you're learning te reo Māori online or teaching te reo Māori online. I'm very happy to bring you here to our new launch of our new kaupapa, our 90-day iiWāNANGA, where I'll be sharing with you how we have made our cards and enable you to be able to make your cards and booklets for your students. And what you've received here is your ākonga, he kape mā te ākonga, your learner's resource, and your digital copy here, so you can do it online or download it, do it at home, your workplace, your kura, with your family, with the whānau at the marae, and then eventually come online with me and do some other work there, complete some weekly a little bit of mahi, make some vids in there, join us in the free online wānanga, and then look at getting your copy for the kaiako, your kaiawhina copy. So that's a little bit of a look-see there of the cards and resources that you'll make, and some other tauira have made with me here. We have some that they've prepared. So hopefully if that interests you, then you would have downloaded this copy here, and then these different links here will take you to the other downloads that are coming, that'll follow after this for the other books. We're working with the atua, so we've started with Tāne Mahuta, then we'll be moving to Tāwhiri Mātia, then Tangaroa, Tū Mā Tauenga, Rongo Mā Tāne, and we're moving along with others as well. As we speak. So also you can join the free online wānanga there, where we'll have weekly activities in line with these. We'll do some online classes on a Sunday. Also in our Zoomlive classes, you can join us there if you like, and if you don't, you can simply do it at home in your own time. So there's some links there to click in your workbook. Here's your workbook where you'll do your weekly challenges. So many kupu per week. There's week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Simply click there to get the kupu ho. As we go throughout the weeks, we'll be covering different topics. At the moment we're just looking at kai and some other things as we head along. There'll be 12 kupu per week to learn, and then a challenge, a wero on this side with a bit of music, a bit of upbeat music there with Ngoi Ngoi, Galvanius and the Pātia Māori group, the Pātia Māori club, as they did a lot for our reo back in the days, and all the whānau that have supported them, and Katarina Mataira, the Ātarangi, and all our many whānau that have contributed to the growth of the reo over the years. So there's some music there, play it to the music or turn it off. I like to do it with the music because it helps me to speak up. It'll help you with your clarity, pronunciation, and anyway, basically have some fun. Once you've done that, then write the kupu down to your notebooks, and then come down into your workbooks there and simply whakahua and tā pikitia, draw those pikitia. Draw those pikitia within the guidelines here, and that's where you'll get your guidelines, where you're eventually going to make your own cards. And you'll make your own cards there for your whānau, for your family, for your friends, and this is how you'll make your cards. Just 12 kupu per week, and at the end of the week there you'll pick up, there'll be a whakatauki. Each week we'll talk about a whakatauki online, or you can go and check out what the whakatauki means, and then the objective is to try and draw that whakatauki. And so that's, I think, where the magic happens. It's easy to draw a pumpkin, it's easy to draw some bananas, it might be easy, and if not, simply copy the ones that are in there, just draw them, they're nice and simple, okay, nice clear pictures, so if you put it in front of someone, they know exactly what it is. And the challenge and the wero for us now is to draw a whakatauki. So anyway, that's a little bit about that. I'll try and finish that, see if I can bring you up the other copy. So that's the learner's copy. And then once you've done that, if you come online and do some things with me, then we'll get to the kaiawhena's copy. And then the kaiawhena's copy, and have some extra mahi in here for you guys. As now that you're sharing, once you've learnt the mahi, now you can share it with others. So I hope that helps you for now. To get started, don't forget, there's links there to click in. Click the links to come and join me online on a Sunday at 7 p.m. Kiwi time. And apart from that, you can also join the free online wānanga. Everything's free here. Everything's free through these 90-day wānanga. There's something for everyone. There's no strings attached. I think it's like that. It's free, but you do have to play. And I'd like you to participate. Come and join me. Come and join others. And let's share the reo. Let's celebrate te reo me ona tikanga. Nō reire te whānau, kia pai tō rā me tō pō, te tūmanako ka kiti a koutou. Hopefully I'll see you all here soon. E rongo, whakairi a ki rongo, kia tīna, hui e, tai ki e.